boys? You guys tired? Huh? You guys tired? That's good boys. There you go. Pretty up here, huh? There's Kissing Camels right here at the eastern side of Garden of the Gods. Me and the boys hiked up here this morning. Show you all the edge of Garden of the Gods right here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. You can see kind of in the background there the road on the mountain there. That's Gold Camp Road. Drives up the face of the mountain there. But like I said, we're on the edge of the Garden of the Gods. That's Pikes Peak right there behind it. That mountain is 14,400 and some odd feet. But this is where we live here in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Me and the boys, we go hiking a lot. There's one of the houses right here in the neighborhood by us. What do you think, boys? You tired? And down below there is part of Colorado Springs. Right over there, where you see the houses on the mountain, that's NORAD. The base of NORAD. What do you think, boys? You tired? You guys tired? But if you guys want more information on a free system to make money online, and you can make money just vlogging like we are right now, then click the link below the video, markmcdonald.co. Pay our site a visit, watch the tutorial videos, and get signed up with this free system that teaches you how to make money online. It's free and it works great. So I look forward to seeing from you, and if you have any questions, feel free to email me at kaizak7@gmail.com.